Welcome to Math Pile Conceptual Understanding. Everything we can learn with concepts. Dear students, this is Sharif. You are watching Math Pile. So, we are continuing the second chapter, third concept, which is finding zeros of the polynomial by middle term splitting method. We have already solved one questions in the previous video. We'll be continually solve two more examples in this video. Let us go for the question. The first question, which is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. First of all, the first step of this question is that we need to see the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square multiply by constant. Coefficient of the x square multiply by constant. What will happen? Coefficient of x square is 3 multiply by constant, which is nothing but minus 2, which is nothing but minus 6. Okay, and the middle term, which when we add will get 5. So basically what we understand, when we add we should get 5, and when we multiply we should get minus 6, right? So you can see that when we multiply we should get 6. So what are the factors of 6 we have to include? What are the factors of 6? 6 can be expressed as 6 into 1 is one pair, and 6 also can be expressed as 3 into 2. So which is the correct pair to adopt for our question, we have to check. Okay, when we add we should get 5, when you multiply we should get minus 6. Okay, so basically you can see that 3 and 2, when we add you will get 5, when you multiply you will get 6. For example, you will get minus 6, so we are not going to get directly 6. If you put here negative minus 3 plus 2, it will become minus 1, but we need 5, right? If you put here negative, what will happen? 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1, so we need plus 5. So this is not a correct pair for this question. This is the correct pair. How? For example, 6 plus 1 is 7. If you subtract 6 minus 1, you'll get 5, and 6 into minus 1, which is nothing but minus 6. So 6 minus 1, positive 6 minus 1 is the correct pair of this question. Now come to the concept. The given question is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Okay, and this 5x can be split as 3x square, and this 5x, how we split? Positive 6x, negative x, and this minus 2. Okay, and now we are going to do the common terms for the first two term and the next two term. The first two term, what is the common term? 3. Both are there. 3 is there in the 3 table and 6 also there in the 3 table. So 3 is common, and both having x as a common factor. So x also we can take it out common. So when we take 3x as common, here x square, in that x square, x into x. So 1x we have taken and 3 also we have taken. So x is left, plus this x we have already taken in 3 table. How many times? 6 or 2. Fine. The next two term, kindly observe, it comes with negative. So when it comes with negative, we have to include the negative also. So negative 1 we have to take it out common. So it will become positive x plus 2. And most importantly, see, this factor and this factor should be same. If both are same, we are going in a correct direction. Otherwise you made somehow wrong. So kindly note that this both of the brackets should be same. Then only the whole expression x plus 2 we can take it out common. The whole expression x plus 2 we can take it out common. What is left? 3x minus 1 is left. 3x minus 1. So done. Almost we have done this question. Now we are going to find out the zeros. To find out the zeros, we have to equate the given factor, which is equal to 0. So x plus 2 which is equal to 0, x which is equal to minus 2. Similarly, 3x minus 1 which is equal to 0, 3x which is equal to 1, x which is equal to 1 by 3. That's it. So these two are the zeros of the polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Similarly, we can go for one more question to make you fully understand. Okay, let us go for this question. You can see that t square plus 7t plus 7 plus 10, right? T square plus 70 plus 10. What is the first step? We have to get coefficient of, here variable is t, so coefficient of t square multiplied by constant. What is the coefficient of x square? Here nothing, so it considers 1. So 1 into 10, which is equal to 10. Coefficient of the x square multiplied by constant, that is 10, and the middle term 7. Okay, basically what we understand, when you multiply you should get 10, when you add you should get the middle term 7. Okay, so now what is the multiplication? Here only we are going to be splitting the factors. So what are the factors of 10? 1 10, and then 2 5, and then 5 2. In reverse order it will come. So 1 and 10 and 2 and 5 is the pairs of 10, right, which is adapt to our question that we have to check. For example, you can see that 1 and 10, when we add 1 plus 10 it will become 11, right, but we have 7. When we add two numbers you should be getting 7, but here 1 plus 10 when we add will get 11. So this is not a correct pair. You can see that here 2 plus 2 plus 5, which is nothing but 7, and 2 into 5, which is nothing but 10. So this is the correct pair to adapt for this question. So now we found both are positive. Kindly note, both are positive, because positive 2 plus positive 5, which is nothing but positive 7, positive 2 into positive 5, which is nothing but positive 10. So now we have almost done. So now t square plus 7t plus 10, the same question I have written again, then t square, and this 7t we express as 2t plus 5t. So 2t plus 5t, or else you can try to 5t plus 2t also as well, that's not a problem. And now you can see first two term, what is common? Both are having t as common. T, when we take it out common, what will happen? Only one t is left, plus here one t we have taken out, 2 only left, and then here plus what is common in this 5t plus 7, these two terms, 5 table is common, so 5 we can take it out common. What is left? T plus 2. So now you can see that, as you can see, these both brackets are same. If the both bracket factors are same, then we understand that we are going in a correct direction. So out of this full expression, t plus 2 is common, and what is left? We have t plus 5 is left. We have t plus 5 is left. Almost we have done it. We found the factors. Now we are going to be finding the zeros. Just we have to be the given factors which is equal to 0, so that you will come to know the zeros of the polynomial. So t plus 2 which is equal to 0, and t which is equal to minus 2. Similarly here t plus 5 which is equal to 0, and t which is equal to minus 5, and t is equal to minus 2, t is equal to minus 5. These are the zeros of this polynomial. I hope you understand this finding the zeros by middle term splitting method. In next class we are going to be finding the zero relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. We'll see by tomorrow. Bye, take care. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe, share, like, and click the like button. Take care. Bye. We'll see tomorrow.